Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can blur our background in a Zoom meeting. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Zoom meeting application on my computer, and first of all, I'm going to create new meeting. I'm going to click on new meeting and wait for a moment. The virtual meeting is being created, and then I'm going to turn on my camera, but wait, it's still connecting. Okay, and this is the meeting guys, and I'm going to turn on my camera. Okay, and if we want to blur our background, we can go to the blur my background option. Okay, as you can see guys, that my background has been blurred. Okay, and I'm just going to turn off my camera. Basically, you just need to click on this little arrow and you can click on blur my background. You will be able to adjust your background right here as well. Okay, and you can choose blur or another background. Okay guys, and that's all the way to blur background in the Zoom meeting. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.